We're taking a deeper dive into what's behind the rapid increase in car insurance rates. Get this, the Consumer Price Index, the most recent one, showed us that rates went up 2.6% last month and up a whopping 22% compared to just 1 year ago. Bankrate says the average annual premium in New York State is now a little more than $3,800. Tonight, our Kristen Moran takes a closer look at rising rates and ways that you can help slam the brakes on these soaring costs.
If it seems like you're paying more for car insurance, you're not alone. That's because it has gotten more expensive. According to a recent report from Bankrate, the average annual premium is up 26% since last year.
Year after year, I'm seeing typically anywhere from a 3 to 10% increase.
Alex Tetzlaff is an insurance agent with AAA. He says the state has been informing many well-known insurance companies to raise rates because while everyone would like to have low-cost insurance, that's the pool of money that pays for claim payouts.
The higher payouts, the state says the pool of money needs to be greater to make sure that there's money set aside to pay out these claims, thus the rising cost of premiums.
He says another factor contributing to the higher rates, car thefts and the technological advancements made to cars.
A rear-end accident, whereas 10 years ago would have cost $500 to repair, now it's costing $3,000 because to disassemble that sensor on the back of a car, to get all those little pieces and everything, you're going to have to pay a lot more for labor hours.
So I decided to dig a little deeper to see what the rates are in Buffalo. I came across Beth Swanson with the Zebra, an insurance comparison site.
Buffalo actually has higher than average in the state.
Swanson found that the average cost of a 6-month policy in Buffalo is a little more than $1,100. She says that Buffalo residents pay more for car insurance than the national average of $880 and New York State's average of $1,085. So she did some digging for Buffalo drivers.
What did you find were the top 3 cheapest car insurance companies?
On our list, we had New York Central Mutual Fire, which was pretty significant. And then Progressive and Geico were the next cheapest. Even New York Central Mutual Fire was like $200 cheaper for a 6-month premium than Progressive or Geico was.
All right, Kristen joins us now. So beyond just, switching car insurance companies, right? What other things can you do to try to save? Because I think so many of our viewers watching right now have seen this sticker shock recently.
And I have seen the sticker shock myself. But yeah, there's definitely a couple of ways that you can save. Consumer Reports suggest actually a handful of tips. Increase your deductible. It actually can bring your annual premium down by 20 to 25% on average. You can bundle your auto insurance with homeowners insurance, which can actually save you $300 a year. Report your mileage. If you drive under 10,000 miles a year, that can actually save you about $100 or you can also take a defensive driving course. Some companies will actually allow you to get a discount for enrolling, which can save you $200 a year. But the best advice from these experts that I spoke with today, shop around. Honestly, bottom line, they said it's easy to be complacent and just stick with your same auto insurance. If you have the auto pay set up, I have the auto pay set up. Yeah. So I decided to put their advice to the test today. I actually was told that my auto insurance was very high, which is interesting because I don't get in accidents, I don't get tickets, nothing like that. So I was like, okay, let me actually try this out. So I went to Liberty Mutual first, and I found that my insurance rate could be $229, which is very expensive. Geico, which I have right now, is $220, still very expensive. Yeah. But then I went to Progressive, $114 a month for that 6-month premium. I was shocked. So I think there's a couple of things you can do here to really put that price down, but I think shopping around, it's not bad to do.
I went from one carrier to another to another over about a 6-year period. Sometimes you just have to do it.
Yes.
If you're finding out every time you're up, it starts going up. Do a little work, right?
And the experts actually said you should probably be looking every 6 months, actually, or if you have a big milestone birthday. Yeah. So that's some good advice right there, especially given that I texted my mom. I said, I think I need to switch my car insurance. And she's like, I think you should. So.
Save some money. Kristen, thank you so much.